So you might be wondering how to exactly replace a Blink doorbell batteries. Well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to grab the right batteries first. So the Blink doorbell uses two double A lithium batteries, not alkaline. So using lithium is important for battery life and reliable performance. So next thing that you want to do is you want to remove the doorbell from the mount. So use a small opening tool that came with the doorbell or a paper clip. Now use it into the release hole at the bottom, then gently lift doorbell off the mount. Now you want to go and just flip the doorbell over and slide the battery cover open. Now you see the two double A batteries inside. Now, you want to remove the old batteries and insert the new ones, matching the positive and negative symbols exactly. Make sure they sit firmly in place. Now, you want to go and slide the battery cover shut until it clicks. Line the doorbell back into onto the mount here and press it down until it snaps securely. Now, you want to go and just open the Blink app and make sure the battery level updates. If it shows normal status, you're pretty much all set. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.